Hi students, that is next to reducer, that is strong reducing agent hydroiodic acid. Hydroiodic acid, that is HI, in the presence of red phosphorus. Hydrogen iodide in the presence of red phosphorus, it acts as a strong reducing agent. It is very most important student, it is most important reducer student. HI, hydroiodic acid or hydrogen iodide, it acts as a strong reducing agent. It can reduce, that is alcohols. HI in the presence of red phosphorus, it can reduce, that is alcohol groups. It can reduce alcohol groups. And the second one is it can reduce, that is aldehyde groups. It can reduce aldehydes. And HI in the presence of red phosphorus, it can reduce, that is keto group also. It can reduce ketones. And second, next one is it can reduce, that is acids. And it can reduce, that is acid chloride, and it can reduce, that is ester also. It can reduce, that is esters also. One second, student. It can reduce, that is ester also. These are the important properties of HI in the presence of red phosphorus, student. HI, that is hydroiodic acid or hydrogen iodide in the presence of red phosphorus. It can reduce alcohols and aldehydes and ketones and acid chloride and ester. These are everything, it gives only alkanes. Everything it gives only alkanes. Everything it gives alkanes. Alcohols react with HI in the presence of red phosphorus, it is also giving alkanes. And aldehyde in the presence of aldehyde react with HI in the presence of red phosphorus, it is also giving alkanes. And ketones react with hydrogen iodide in the presence of red phosphorus, it is also giving alkanes. And acid group also reduced with HI, it is also giving alkanes. And acid chloride also giving alkanes. And ester group also giving alkanes. This is the simple trick, student. I will give only shortcuts only, student. I am not giving that is a mechanism. Just I am giving only for shortcuts for reducing agents, how to identify that is a reducing agent. Strong reducing agent, that is HI, hydroiodic, act as a strong reducer. It can reduce alcohols, aldehydes, ketones, acid chloride and ester. These are the important properties of reducing agent of HI, student. So now take the one by one we will discuss, student. That is HI, first one we will discuss, that is alcohols. Now take the alcohols example, student. First one is, now take the alcohols example, that is ethyl alcohol, CH3CH2OH. Ethyl alcohols react with HI in the presence of red phosphorus. Ethyl alcohols react with HI in the presence of red phosphorus, it gives ethane plus water plus I2. In this reaction only 2 moles of hydrogen iodide is involved. It is very most important, student. When alcohols, that is when take the example, ethyl alcohols react with hydrogen iodide in the presence of red phosphorus to give ethane plus water plus I2. So here in this reaction total how many moles of hydrogen iodide involved, student? In this reaction, in this alcohols reaction, only 2 moles of hydrogen iodide is involved. 2 moles of hydrogen iodide is involved. The total is balancing or not, so given a reaction, this reaction balanced or not. Left hand side here 3 2 5 6 plus 2 8 hydrogens are there. Left hand side 8 hydrogens are there. And product side also same thing, 3 plus 3 6 plus 2 8. And oxygen left hand side only 1 is there, right hand side only 1 is there. Iodine left hand side 2 iodines are there, here also same thing. Everything is balanced, friend. When alcohols react with HI in the presence of red phosphorus to give ethane, that is ethyl alcohol give ethane. So here 2 moles of hydrogen iodide is involved. Now take the second example, student. That is, now take the second example is acetaldehyde. That means example of aldehyde. Acetaldehyde. Now take the acetaldehyde react with HI in the presence of red phosphorus. It is also giving same thing, student. It is also giving alkane, CH3CH3. Same thing here, also giving water plus here also giving iodine. So in this reaction, student, right hand side here total number of hydrogens, how many hydrogens are there, student? Right hand side 3 plus 3 6 plus 2 8 hydrogens are there, but left hand side only 4 hydrogens are there. 3 1 3 plus 1 4. Now take the 4 moles of HI. In this reduction of reduction of aldehyde, student, here how many moles of HI involved? Here 4 moles of HI involved. That is reduction of aldehyde, that is acetaldehyde reduction with HI in the presence of red phosphorus to give ethane plus water plus I2. Here 4 moles of HI, hydrogen iodide, is involved. So 4 moles of hydrogen iodide are involved. So here 4 hydrogens are there, take the 2 moles of hydrogen. So now everything is balanced, student. Now take the third example, student, that is ketones. Ketones example, take the example that is acetone. When acetone CH3CO CH3, when acetone react with hydrogen iodide in the presence of red phosphorus HI, same here also same thing, student, it giving propane. Here 3 carbons are there, 1 2 3, it giving propane CH3 CH2 CH3 plus water plus I2. Here also same thing, student. Here also, and aldehydes and ketones reduction with HI in the presence of red phosphorus, it is also participating. Here 4 moles of HI is involved in this reaction, student. When ketone means acetone react with HI in the presence of red phosphorus to give propane plus water plus I2. In this reaction 4 moles of hydrogen iodide is involved, 4 moles of hydrogen iodide involved. These both are same, aldehydes and ketones, same equal mole of HI, student, equal mole of HI. Here also same thing, 4 moles of HI is involved. So total left hand side how many hydrogens are there, student? 3 plus 3 6 plus 4 10 hydrogens are there, and right hand side also same thing, 3 plus 2 5 5 plus 3 8 8 plus 2 10, everything is balanced. And left hand side here 4 hydrogens are there and 4 iodines are there, right hand side only 2 iodines are there. So put the 2 moles of I2. So everything is balanced, student. Now take the third exam, alcohol is completed and aldehyde is completed and ketone is completed. Now next one is acid group, student. Now take the acid group example, that is acetic acid CH3COOH. When acetic acid react with HI in the presence of red phosphorus, it is also giving ethane plus water plus I2. In this reaction, student, here the in this reaction, student, here 2 oxygens are there left hand side, but right hand side only 1 oxygen there, 1 oxygen is there. So now put the 2 moles of water molecule, 2 moles of water molecule, student. Now right hand side total number of hydrogen 3 plus 3 6 plus 4 10 hydrogens are there, but left hand side only 4 hydrogens are there. So here how many moles of HI is involved, student? Here 6 moles of HI is involved. It is very most important, student. Acetic acid react with HI in the presence of red phosphorus, it gives ethane plus water plus I2 and 3 moles of iodine, 3 moles of I2 and 2 moles of water, and in this reaction 6 moles of hydrogen iodide is involved. And aldehydes and ketone 4 moles, alcohols 2 moles, but acid group here 6 moles of hydrogen iodide is involved. This is also very most important, student. Now next application, student, that is very most important, that is last one is acid chloride CH3COCl and CH3COCl react with HI in the presence of red phosphorus. It is also giving ethane CH3 single bond CH3 plus water plus HCl plus I2. So here also same thing, student. Here also 6 moles of hydrogen iodine involved. Acid and acid chloride. You remember, student, acid and acid chloride and ester. 6 moles of hydrogen iodides are involved. 6 moles of hydrogen iodide involved. So here total 6 plus 4, 6 plus 3, 9 hydrogens are left hand side, 3 plus 6, 9 hydrogens are involved, and right hand side also same thing, student. 3 plus 3 6 plus 2 8, 1 hydrogen from HCl 9. Okay, everything is balanced, and iodines are left hand side 6 iodines are there, and right hand side also same thing, 2 iodines are there. So here 3 moles of iodine. So these are the simple tricks, student. This is the simple trick for reduction of alcohols, aldehydes, ketones, and acid chloride and ester, student. So that is hydrogen iodide or hydroiodic acid, HI, hydroiodic acid or hydrogen iodide. It is act as a strong reducing agent. strong reducing agent. It can reduce alcohols and aldehydes and ketones and acids and acid chlorides and ester. These all are giving only alkanes. All are giving only alkanes, students. And alkyl halide also react with HI in the presence of red phosphorus. It is also giving alkane, student. This is a very most important for NEET and other competitive exams also, student. If you like my video, please like, share and comment, and thanks for watching, student. If you like my video, please click on like. Thank you.